Hey guys, today we are going to cover the top 5 tourist scams. Think you're too smart to get scammed? Think again. These 5 outrageous scams have ruined vacations for tourists across the globe, from Paris to Bangkok, and even in your dream destination. Stay with me, because scam number 1 is so sneaky. It's leaving travelers broke and stranded. You've just landed in a new city, say Bangkok or Cairo. You grab a taxi thinking you're on your way to your hotel. But wait, the meter is rigged. Or worse, the driver takes the scenic route to pad the fare. Suddenly, you're paying triple. Always agree on a fare up front, or use reliable ride-hailing apps. If a driver refuses to turn on the meter, walk away. Imagine this. You're visiting the Colosseum in Rome or the Taj Mahal in India, and someone approaches you with an offer for an exclusive tour at a discounted price. You pay, but here's the kicker. They vanish before the tour even starts. Always book tours through reputable companies or official sites. If it sounds too good to be true, it probably is. Picture this. You see someone drop their wallet in the streets of Barcelona or Istanbul. Being a good Samaritan, you return it. But as you're handing it back, they accuse you of stealing their cash. Cue their angry friend, who demands compensation to resolve the issue. Never engage in these situations. If someone drops something, call for local authorities or staff to help instead. You're enjoying the vibrant streets of Paris or Marrakesh when someone approaches with a free bracelet. Before you know it, it's tied to your wrist, and suddenly they're demanding payment. Refuse? Their friends appear, pressuring you until you cough up cash. Politely but firmly decline anyone offering you something for free. Nothing on those streets comes without strings attached. You arrive at your hotel in Bali or Mexico City only to hear this: "We don't have your reservation." A kind staff member offers to help by taking you to their partner hotel. It's overpriced, poorly rated, and, surprise, they're pocketing a hefty commission. Always confirm your bookings directly with the hotel before you arrive. If something feels off, contact your booking platform. And there you have it. The top 5 tourist scams exposed. These tricks can ruin your dream vacation, whether you're wandering through Europe, exploring Asia, or relaxing in a tropical paradise. Which scam shocked you the most? Let me know in the comments. And if you've experienced one of these firsthand, share your story to help others stay safe. Hit that like button and subscribe for more travel tips that could save you money, time, and a whole lot of headaches. Thanks for watching, and stay safe out there, travelers.